and just dab it on. You can draw it on, doesn't matter. You pick so whatever you would like to place on. If you want to get the thinking green a little bit darker, you can repeat it. And it's our fusioning is so like pigmented, but it's so thin and easy to work with, so you will never have an issue that try to blending and create the veins. Hi mommy. So my mom's on Facebook. I want to say hi to her. She's awesome. She's supporting and she's there. I wouldn't be here without her, of course. Hey Zoe, how are you? Hey, good morning. Oh, Marisa, you have a fusioning. Great. Okay, now what we're gonna do is burning heart right here. I'm opening it, so I don't want to spill that. Oh, that's cool. Great. You don't have to do a lot. You can do like on the top of it, or you can do a different. That's totally, it's up to you. This one is gonna come out really cool, so it doesn't matter what you want to do with, and it's going to turn out really cool. I'm going to show you, if special for beginners, you will never get any troubleshootings with this, I promise, if you just follow this really basic step. Crystal clear, this is a great solution to really blending your crystal, your fusioning, which is a marble look. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to wipe up most of my crystal clears. You don't need a whole lot. All right. And you can see that it's turning from shiny to the matte. And I'm going to tap it. You can draw, you can like really like wipe it on, you can, but you want to tap it. It's give it like really cool the effects. And then you can see that I'm moving from a side to the centers and wherever you want to create your veins. What should do? Yes. Wipe it off on a piece of paper. Look at that, and you don't see on the screen, so I'm wipe it off. You see that residues here? I wipe it off, so then I will like dip it back into the bottle, so pick up more crystal clear. If not, then you're gonna contaminating your colors from the nails that I just create. It's gonna be more chance that you like a bleeding it, which is that you contaminate your colors into your crystal clear, which is that when later you see your color is so bleeding because they're not defined anymore. Wipe it off.
Bring it up a bit, there you go.
It looks like watermelon. Just make me feel like thinking of fruit. So I'm gonna look at all the questions. If you have any questions, then I will answer in a little bit. I like that. Looks so cool. So you can continue to blend it. Make sure every time you dip it back to the bottles, you want to like wipe it off on the paper to remove all the residues on your brush. Until you really like the designs, and you can start drawing some veins. But if not, you can continue working on it. I think I really like it like that. You can blend it more. You're never gonna go wrong with this, I promise. It's really cool. And I am going to using is, you see before, I'm using a really cool, to be honest with you, I'm using my jet black spot. But today's I am going to using is my gel painting in a bottle with precision brush. And I am going to using gel painting and golden touch to make it the veins is more like defined. And it's just really cool that this bottle of gel painting, it's a little bit thinner density, which is awesome, and also that it will help me create really cool, like more precise. Usually I'm using my twin tip brush, but if you don't have a twin tip brush, you can use this. Or if you don't have this, you can use twin tip brush. So however it works the best for you. And I would doing like have a feather touch. Is I'm not doing it like heavy-handed at all, because I just want to just follow with the veins right here. But also I do not want it to be too like, doesn't look natural looks. And you can continue doing it so many veins if you want to. It doesn't have to be exactly what I'm doing. You can create the way you prefer, or your clients love it. Just soft. I really like it. This is a precision brush. Just give me a cool idea of doing this. And if I'm happy with this, I am going to create for 30-second flash here. Hi, Livras. Hi, Whitney. Hello, First Nails, love. Is this First Nails? Nail by Money. Hello, how are you? All right, so then now next I am going to use my precision, hold on, not precision, my twin tip brush. I said, wait a minute, do we have, well, guess what? We're going to have precision brush sneak peek on this, but it's not gonna be thick density like this. Be a little bit softer density, so it's easy for you to draw with your brush. So my twin tip brush right here, I took the cap on the other end using it. There's a flat brush right here. I am going to using to apply the condensed glue gel. But on the other end is the light brush and also a detail brush. So however you would like to call that will do the amazing work for you. So I'm gonna do the same strokes, like just give it a little bit the really thin, really like gentle touch. It's really gently. If you want to do it thicker, I think it looks beautiful as well. Like it's just like a, you know, kind of a splash of gold in there. I think it's gonna be look cool and stunning. Also, if you don't have a gel painting, hey, if you have a gel, if you have the foil, Chanfa foil, like a collection, one of the Chanfa foil have the gold foil in there, and you have Chanfa foil and you have twin tip brush, hey, you can do the same thing like this, but instead of the gel painting, you can using it for Chanfa foil.
Oh yeah, man, people recognize that you cut your nail down.
Oh yeah, you see, I was sharing with Mika today, and they said, oh my god, did you know, like I was doing it really good. I think last week I worked so hard and I opened one of the box and it's catch my fingers and it hurt, but it's never been, I think it just like really is just affects the connection, the link of the polymer. So it's just like on today, it happened that in the morning, I get ready to work and I place my laptop into the sleeve, and guess what? Whole piece of the nails came off from the same nails that I thought that it will broke, but it didn't. And it came, I said, wait a minute, whose nails is getting into my sleeve at my house? I didn't do nobody nails in this laptop sleeve. And I look at it, I said, wait a minute, it looks so familiar. And it looks like crap. I can't go in to do work and work all day is gonna ruin my day. And I can't see my ladies with my nails broken. Absolutely no. So look, I fix it. And I cut my nails shorter. I was hold my breath so hard. I said, okay, I'm gonna destroy this set and do it over, or I'm gonna really be gently with this and just love it and take care of it. And look, I didn't do it not bad at all, huh? I changed the shape back to what shape I really like. Shorter. But if you want to see the long nails, you can do it sometime next live video. But it doesn't hurt my crystal at all. My crystal is still stay concrete. I just try to work along with between the link of it. Even like I trim them down, it didn't, even my crystal didn't come off. So that's the story. This end story. You can't believe it. My face today when I see the nails. I say, who the hell's this nails is falling off in my sleeve? I didn't do nobody or no one. I didn't even touch anything. And the sleeve of a laptop. And then I was like, wait a minute. Something is not right here. So I need the butterflies.
Need butterfly?
The sticker butterflies. Just share with your story because that's why I got my nails shorter. Otherwise, it's still here.